Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Different location today. We're actually in a bathroom, which is why it's probably echoing quite a lot. So what I thought I would do today is I would react to my dad's perfume collection. So I have them laid out in front of me here. There's not a lot, but there's a few. So let's get into the video. So before we start, I'll just tell you what lipstick I'm wearing. This is by Lisa Eldridge and this is Go Lightly. This is the shade that I'm wearing, as I know some of you will ask me. And then I also have on top a Dior Addict lip gloss in 556, this one as well. Okay, let's get into the first perfume. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 fragrances here. So let's start with the bougiest. So he has Chanel de Bleu. This is the Eau de Parfum by Chanel. This is nice. It's a very kind of aquatic, fresh scent to this. The Eau de Parfum is much stronger. This is the 150ml, this is the big one. So this is 150ml. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, when that dries down, it smells nice. It feels a bit weird calling a fragrance sexy because it's my dad's, but I mean, other men wear this. So, this is nice. It's very fresh. I would say it's in between a heady perfume and a citrus. I mean, I'm not a perfume professional. So we have Chanel de Bleu, Dior Homme Eau For Men. I remember this when I used to sell this. Oh my god, this is This is a beautiful fragrance. This is like cedar wood. Oh my gosh, very fresh. There's a lot of sandalwood in this. There's also the Dior Homme Intense. This is nice. This will give you that woody oud. This is very masculine, nice. I would say this is, if you're looking at these two, this would be this would be daytime. The Dior Homme Eau For Men would be day. Oh my god. And then this one, the Dior Homme Intense, would be for nighttime. So daytime, nighttime. That would be my opinion. Oh, it smells. I'm gonna smell like a man after this. What collection of dad's perfumes wouldn't have Davidoff Cool Water? I mean, this was big. I think this is like an 80s or a 90s fragrance. This was big. Everyone used to go crazy for this. I don't get it. Kind of smells a little bit, I don't want to offend people, but it reminds me a little bit of some kind of bleach or toilet cleaner that I use. Yeah, no, I don't, no. Definitely not. Armani Code Ultimate. This is nice. Armani Code Ultimate, it's a fragrance for everyone, any age. It's more, for example, the Dior ones, these are more sophisticated. I would expect more of an older gentleman, someone in their like mid-20s upwards. Yeah, I suppose, yeah. And then this, I would say, Armani Code is for all ages, but I would expect a teenager to smell more like this, maybe, because I feel like this is more of a beginner fragrance. Still smells amazing, just my opinion. It has another Dior Homme Intense. I love this. Dior Homme Intense is amazing. And then this we have, what's this? The Jean-Paul Gaultier. This is the Stimulating Eau Fraiche Summer fragrance. Does it have a year on it? No. Yes, okay. This smells like Eau Fraiche. Not that impressed so far. Lacoste. I don't know what this is. It's eau de toilette, so I don't know. This is actual fabric, which is quite cute. It's in the white bottle, whatever that is. Yeah, this is like your typical spray when you get out of the shower, just wear whenever you want. Just has this kind of typical generic fragrance smell. Like if you think of a generic man, that's what this smells like. Dolce Gabbana 21 Lifu. It's quite nice. I wouldn't say it's like amazing. Can't even figure out what that smell is. Anyway, this is Lifu. And then he has two Calvin Klein Eternities. He has Eternity for Men, and he also has Eternity for Men Summer. So let's see. Oh, this is like this. This is old. That has gone off. That's old. See this one. It smells very fresh, very aqua. Very just got out the shower. A lot of these, my dad obviously has a very kind of, has a certain nose, and he likes ones that smell clean and fresh rather than heavy. Next we have Chanel, this is Chanel Platinum Egoiste. I don't know how you pronounce that. I remember I bought this for him. I think this smells nice. Yeah, this is very old school barbershop fragrance. You want to smell. It's quite nice. It settles down really nicely. That settles down really good. Okay. Look at me, I look a bit crazy. Look at my hair. Crazy. It's very sharp, this fragrance, very sharp. And then this one by Rishi Club. I feel like I'm not gonna like this. Very old school, heavy, heavy notes. Oh yeah. This is called Black by Kenneth Cole. I'm not impressed, just like whatever. Very flat. Then he also has this, it's in like a splash. It's a very flat fragrance actually. And then, woo! The last thing he has is this. This is the Versace Eros. Like this. And I bought this for him as well, he's clearly not used it. Can't even smell this. I remember when I was at school, do you know what? Why did I buy my dad this? I must have got it as like a free gift with work or something. But I remember when I can't really smell it. I can't really smell anything now, to be honest. When I was at school, there was a guy in my drama class who used to wear this. I used to fancy him so much. Girls, if you were in my drama class and you wore that aftershave, I fancied you. That's basically it. I don't have any more fragrances from my dad's collection. So I thought this would just be a bit of fun. I like fragrance, and I know a lot of you guys like fragrance as well. So I thought it would be fun just reacting to my dad's fragrance collection. So as always, thank you so much for being here. I always appreciate you spending time with me, taking time out of your day. So I hope you are having a great day wherever you are. And don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, of course. And until next time, I will see you all very soon. Bye! Mwah.